A dragon will always go for the kill.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord.